Speaking of vision, Dr. Dino Madonna of Lake ENT and Facial Plastic Surgery calls it lifting the shades, but you may know it better as eyelid surgery. Medically known as blepharoplasty, eyelid surgery improves the appearance of upper lids, lower lids, or both, making you look more rested and alert. But as Dr. Madonna tells us, lifting the shades can provide improved vision as well.
Dr. Bridges actually did a fair number of facial plastic procedures at the time, but as the evolution of the specialty, it became increasingly popular to subspecialize and to gain a niche, and to have someone who's fellowship trained in that niche. Has a certain level of credentialing that goes with it, and that is where I came into place. I think we're very proud of the scope and breadth of the services that we offer. I'm fellowship trained in facial plastics and reconstructive surgery. Quite often, again, that's another one that has a gamut, upper eyelids and brows to some degree, where you can't see. I mean, it affects your peripheral vision. I mean, I've had people who are pilots that, you know, say I come in for landing, I find myself having a difficult time kind of have the whole, you know, visual field in front of me. So that's important, and you know, basically at that point you do need certain testing to kind of verify that it is affecting their visual fields. And the idea is to go ahead and pull up the brows to a more natural position. And once you've pulled the brow up, now you can adjust the eyelids and take the excess skin off. You can't sew your eyebrow to your eyelid. You have to raise the brow up first to where it belongs and then take care of the lids. That's not always the case. Sometimes it is just the eyelids. But when the skin is hanging low and you can't see, we can take care of that. The thing that really kind of drew me to facial plastics is the idea of putting something back together. You know, having a three-dimensional scope, three-dimensional vision before you even start. So the idea of form and function and the artistry and three-dimensionality that goes with it, to me, is just fascinating, very rewarding.
Dr. Madonna is fellowship trained in facial plastics. You can learn more about both the ENT and facial plastic services available at Lake, Ear, Nose, and Throat when you visit their specialist directory page at yourhometownhealth.com.